Today I am reviewing the Crock-Pot Large Programmable Slow Cooker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. This isn't just a slow cooker. It's a kitchen powerhouse that brings together convenience, capacity, and consistency, all while making your cooking experience nearly hands-free. Let's start with what makes this Crock-Pot truly stand out. Its massive 8-quart capacity. That's big enough to feed over 10 people, making it perfect for large families, holiday meals, or even weekly meal prep. Whether you're simmering chili for a game day party, slow cooking a pot roast, or preparing a stew to last the entire week, this Crock-Pot has the space to handle it all without crowding. The second major win here is programmability. The digital timer can be set for up to 20 hours, giving you full control over your cooking time. This means you can toss in your ingredients in the morning, set your cooking schedule, and come home to a ready-made, aromatic meal waiting for you. And if your day doesn't go as planned, no worries, because the auto-warm function kicks in automatically once the cooking is complete. So your meal stays at the perfect serving temperature without getting overcooked or cold. It's ideal for busy families where dinner time might shift by an hour or two. Another brilliant feature is the memory function. Let's say there's a brief power outage. Your Crock-Pot remembers your settings and resumes cooking right where it left off. That's peace of mind most slow cookers don't offer, and it really matters when you're preparing large, slow-cooked meals. In terms of cleaning, Crock-Pot makes life easier here too. Both the lid and stoneware insert are removable and dishwasher-safe. No scrubbing or soaking necessary. Just lift out the insert, pop it in the dishwasher, and you're done. Now let's talk aesthetics. This model features a sleek black stainless steel finish that adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen counter. It's not just attractive, it's also fingerprint-resistant and easy to wipe clean. Whether your kitchen is minimalist, rustic, or modern, this Crock-Pot fits right in. You also get a recipe book included in the box, which is a great touch, especially if you're new to slow cooking or looking for inspiration beyond the usual chili or pulled pork. It covers a range of dishes to get you started and shows off what this 8-quart beast is really capable of. In terms of specs, this slow cooker operates at 1,500 watts and is powered by 110 volts, which is standard in the US. It has a sturdy build, weighs about 6.5 kilograms, and features a wide, oval shape that accommodates large cuts of meat. Think pork shoulder, whole chickens, or even a small turkey breast. And it's not just me saying this. Over 14,000 customers on Amazon have rated it highly, averaging a 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's even ranked number 4 in slow cookers and within the top 1,000 in all kitchen and dining products. That kind of customer satisfaction speaks volumes. In short, the Crock-Pot Large 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker is more than a kitchen appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prepper, a dinner party host, or just someone who wants delicious meals with less effort, this is an investment that pays off in convenience, flavor, and time saved. If you're in the market for a dependable, spacious, and easy-to-use slow cooker, this one checks all the boxes, and then some. Give your meals the slow-cooked magic they deserve with the Crock-Pot 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker.